Once again, this, you don't, if you have tried to do it the other way, this is so nice. Here we go, example 2. Find u dot v when u equals 3, 4, and v equals -1, 6. All right, you don't have to draw anything here. Okay, if you don't want to. Actually, you shouldn't draw anything. You don't have to find any angles. Can somebody please tell me what this actually means? And the regular 3 people that raise their hands today, sorry, you two and you are out for right now. What does this actually mean? Yeah, but I need more than that. What is it? Like, what am I actually, what is ux, what does ax and bx mean? Yes, go ahead. Oh. You go ahead.
That could be u and v, like
yeah.
So that's ax and that's bx.
Yeah. So it's going to be u dot v is just equal to 3 times -1. Again, that's ux bx, right? Plus 4 times 6. Isn't that stressful? Like, I'm shaking in my boots right now. Actually, I'm not. Yes. This will be one of them. -3 plus 24, u dot v equals 21. Okay, please put a star beside this one. Okay, this is one you could get on your test, and you may forget, or you may not have gotten the first time through. Okay, if u and v are perpendicular, what does that mean if they're perpendicular? Right on, excellent. So we're going to say then, u dot v has to equal 0. Now, if you know how to do this, this is very easy. But if you forget that fact, it's going to be difficult. Can somebody be brave and give me the next step? Sorry, the 3 guys are out. Not to be sexist, okay, but I'm taking you guys out of this question. If u dot v is equal to 0, what do I do next? Sorry, Chris, you're out. Bailey, go ahead.
You said the ax, bx.
Yeah. So 4k plus -2, 6 equals 0. So everyone see that? The x coordinate of the first one times the x coordinate of the second one plus the y coordinate of the first one times the y coordinate of the second one. Okay? We're okay?
So the focus isn't really the dot product, it's just more on k.
Well, the dot product, though, because of this fact, though, that's the only way, well, not the only way, but that's far and away the easiest way to find the perpendicular, is like this. Okay? Brad, so I haven't picked on you yet today. It's good to see you, by the way. What is -2 times 6, please? Good. So I have 4k minus 12. Brad, you're not done yet. Can you solve for k, please? It would be 3. And that's all there is to this. That's literally all there is.
Just example 2 and 3.
Just example 2 and 3, that's it?
Yeah.
That's it? That's the test?
That's the whole test.
That's the whole test.
Just those 2 questions that we get 15.
All right, and that's all your homework. That's all I got. Today, the big proof was a big part of the lesson. Okay. If you need to share a textbook with a friend, you may. I have one textbook. If you need to borrow one, here's your homework for tonight. I am going to be more proactive and start checking homework again, because I want people, this is the type of unit that if you take a day late off, you can get yourself in trouble, okay? So I want you guys to stay, like this, you're saying, yeah, this is easy, but the way it's gonna work, remember how these units go, is that I have 2 or 3 nice lessons, and then it gets really difficult in a hurry, so if you miss enough on these easy lessons, you're gonna be in trouble later on, if that makes any sense. Here's your homework. Page 376, number. Okay? And some of those will make you, sorry, page, I'm sorry. I actually have something to tell you, with like a pause. Anyone here need to borrow a textbook? No? Nobody needs a textbook? Need one? Okay, so Austin, I was going to actually bring the Spider-Man clock into